How to change or customize your Roblox avatar. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can customize your Roblox avatar. So the first thing that you will need to do is simply open up or launch your Roblox application by tapping onto the app icon, and once you will do this you will have an interface like this. Now the next thing that you will need to do is simply tap onto this avatar option at the bottom, and it will show you your current avatar. Now in order to customize it, you have this option of characters. So if you want to swap characters, you can buy a new character from here, or you can also use these free ones. So in order to swap them, you can use any of the free available characters. So let's say if I want to swap with this one, you can also get the details by clicking onto this details option and then click onto this free button. Now it says, would you like to get John from Roblox for free? So simply click onto this get button, and now you can see that our character has been successfully swapped. So that's how easily you can swap characters in Roblox.